Just think for a moment, what is the most valuable commodity for any country? Its natural resources, minerals, military, climate, infrastructure, or something else. I think all these things have their own ambitions and importance. But the most valuable thing for any nation is its young generation. There is no doubt that we become what we think and the way we work with our thoughts. Just think for a moment, what will happen if our thinking capability is destroyed? But how can be thinking capability is destroyed? And what does it actually means? The collective quality of logical, rational and critical thinking comes under the term thinking capabilities. And of course, it varies person to person. And accepting the fact that everyone can't agree to each other completely also comes under the term thinking capabilities. When we read history, we come to know that if a state wanted to gain control over another state, it had to fight a war. In the beginning, people used to fight the war sitting on horses and using weapons like swords, and the war used to go on for many days. Then, whoever got defeated had to leave his kingdom. Gradually, the methods of war changed with time. Earlier, the war was won on the basis of army strength. Now, the one who has more powerful weapon has more chances of winning. In today's time, big economically strong powers are competing with each other to capture big markets like India. Walking on street, you will see advertisements showing the products of big companies. If you scroll on Instagram, you will find advertisements there too. We are consumers, knowingly or unknowingly, being used in different ways. Whoever has more consumers will become more powerful in the market. And this tussle for power is the modern form of war. Let's see how battle of control over market works. We like something initially, then we do it two or three times. After that, we slowly get addicted to that thing. Once we get attached to a bad habit, we can go to any extent to do that thing. After a certain point, our brain stops functioning properly. Even people's ability to think and understand starts to diminish. And the big players of market want people to remain their puppets. And this is a big reason for the destruction of youth today. Ignoring responsibilities, goals, career and everything, this generation is busy in awakening them. Scrolling, always looking for cheap pleasures, porn, web series, and all these kind of things. By doing all this, today's youth wastes the most precious time of their life, and at the end, there is left nothing but the regret. According to a latest research, the average time that a person can focus on one thing has dropped from around 2.5 minutes to around 45 seconds. And if it continues like this, then the day is not far when there will be a huge shortage of quality workers in all fields, and its effects are already being seen. The young generation affects not only their own life but also their families and the entire nation. There is a quote of a thinker which fits accurate for this topic. It is something like this that if you want to destroy any nation without war, make adultery or nudity common in the young generation.